I was going to drive my red Ford, but I had discovered that the switching valve had sprung a leak in it. Yep, that is the switching valve, and it's wet. You can see the gas dripping off of it. Looks like it's been dripping for a while. The owner said that it was the previous owner said it was getting bad fuel mileage. I think that is the reason why. Okay. So, I needed to get this cleaned up, and this battery cable is broken. So I've got a new one to put on it. Of course, I've got the battery out. It is currently in the red Ford. I could have put a terminal on it, but I just didn't feel like it. In fact, I've had this cable for like 3 weeks now. 2-gauge cable. Uh-oh. And I've got a 4-gauge cable from the zone. Get in the zone. Well, isn't that nice? They give us little stickers to put on it. How about that? What do I do with the old one? Oh, there it is. That's about the right length. 4-gauge versus a 2-gauge. I don't know what fell. I think this had 4-gauge cables on it, and I think I upgraded to 2-gauge. Hell, I can't remember. Anyway, still a good cable. Let's see, like that. And of course, I'll go ahead and loop the convolute back around it. So I'll have to get a switching valve for the red Ford before it goes back on the road yet again, but that's okay. I would much rather be safe than sorry. And I'll go ahead and put the battery in here in a minute. Looks good, and of course it goes there, and the terminal cover covers it. Well, where's that anyway? The fuse links look good. Yeah, that'll look good. Okay, well, that's about it. Well, I'm going to put a battery in it, then I get to run some errands. Nice. Alright. Thanks for watching.